In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have your Meta, formerly Facebook, tracking in place so you can measure visits and optimize your ads with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Click the official GoDaddy website in the results. When the page loads, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually owns the website you want to connect. That will save you time later. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your account name or profile icon. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Find the website you want to work on, then click it to open the site's editor or dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the domain so you're editing the correct one. Inside your site's editor, go to the top right and click Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps most of the integrations and site-wide options. In the Settings area, look for the option labeled Facebook Meta Tag and click it. This section is designed specifically to help you verify your site and connect tracking with Meta. Now you'll need your Meta tag code from Facebook. In your Meta Business Suite or Events Manager, open the pixel you plan to use and locate the Meta Tag Verification or Pixel Setup code provided there. Copy that code exactly as shown. Be careful not to miss any characters. Return to your GoDaddy settings page and paste the code into the box labeled for the Facebook Meta Tag. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the snippet. If there's a Save or Apply button, click it to confirm your changes. Some GoDaddy setups autosave, but it's always smart to look for a save confirmation. That's the core setup. After you've added the tag, give Meta a little time to register the connection. Tracking signals don't always appear instantly. If you have access to Meta's Events Manager, you can check that your pixel is receiving activity once people visit your site. If nothing shows after a while, revisit the settings to confirm the code is still in place and matches what Meta provided. And that's it. You've added your Facebook, or Meta, pixel to your GoDaddy website through the Facebook Meta tag field, setting yourself up for better analytics and more effective advertising.